Here's how to manage your inventory properly in Shopify from day one. In your Shopify admin, click Products on the left sidebar, then click Inventory. This page shows all products that currently have inventory tracking enabled. If you see nothing listed, it means inventory tracking is not yet turned on for your products. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes, and it means Shopify has no idea how much stock you have. To fix that, go to any product, open its detail page, and enable inventory tracking in the Product Details section. If you're adding a new product, enable tracking immediately before publishing. Retroactively adding it later means your stock numbers start from zero and need manual correction. Back on the inventory page, you will see two values for each product: available and on hand. Available means stock that is not committed to any pending order. On hand is your total physical count. Keeping these accurate requires updating them whenever you receive new stock, process returns, or run a physical count. Shopify does not automatically know your warehouse inventory, so human updates are your responsibility. To save time on bulk changes, select multiple products and use the Bulk Edit option. You can update inventory counts, prices, and other fields across many products at once, rather than editing each individually. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.